Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shykoh. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm taking you guys with me to view some property. I know that you guys really love these property videos, which is shocking to me because when I started this channel, there's no way I would have thought I would be doing property, but it's something I am passionate about. I love real estate, so it's also a pleasure for me to be doing these videos. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for watching the videos. You guys have been amazing viewers. So today I'm taking you guys with me to Kitengela. We are going to view a certain house. I've viewed it before because actually it's a house that we were planning to buy. It was a really nice option, like it was a really nice house, and I said let me just share it with you guys so that in case you're looking to buy a house, you can weigh your options. It can be an option for you. So kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get straight into it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
This is Kitengela town. We are just entering into the town. It's quite a big town, and yani there is so much life in Kitengela. There is anything you would need in Kitengela. It's like a whole city on its own. So yeah, we are just getting, it's actually a very busy town. So guys, just opposite Kitengela Mall, there is this road called Old Namanga Road. So it's the road that is leading us to the houses. It's not tarmacked, but it's not a bad road as you can see. And there's also another entrance at Shykoh. So there are two entrances to the house. The one at Shykoh is much closer than this one. So guys, we are here. This is the place. As you can see, it's gated, though it's just 4 houses. Each house is gated and each house is on a quarter plot of land. So guys, this is the house that we actually wanted to buy before plans changed. So guys, there are a total of 4 units. There is this 1, 2, 3, and that 4th one. And as you can see, that one is already occupied. So I'm just gonna show you guys this house so that in case you want, you can book from the ones that are being developed, which I'm gonna show you in a few. We have some, it's like a small garden. The land is so big, yeah. And once you buy the house, they even give you a title for the land. So you can do whatever you want with the remaining piece of land. If you want to build an SQ here, you can do that. So this is the sitting room. It's already painted. You already have lights. So guys, that's the sitting room, which leads to the dining area. This is the dining area. I love the lights, the lighting. Yeah. We have a sink over here. This is a very, like this space for a dining area. This is very good space. And then we have an open kitchen. So that's the kitchen, and opposite the kitchen is the dining area. And then here we have a door leading to the backyard where there is hanging lines and stuff like that. This is the sink, and then we have a pantry inside here, storage as well. So the kitchen is spacious. This is the sitting room. So the kitchen, dining area, and then this is one bedroom. Between the kitchen and the sitting room, we have the master bedroom. This is the space. It's a good amount of space, actually, as you can see. So we have another bedroom over here, which is also ensuite, slightly smaller than the master bedroom, but it still has good space. Can fit like a 5x6 bed, and also has the wardrobe over there. And that's the view outside. So all houses look like this. The 4 units all look similar. This is the bathroom that serves this bedroom, of course. There's a shower. Yeah. So that's the second bedroom. We have the third bedroom. This one is not ensuite, but it has a toilet and bathroom just outside the room, and it's the same size as the other room, basically. Storage is the same size, and this one is not ensuite, but the bathroom and toilet is just outside the room. But this other room over here is ensuite, so same as the master bedroom, which is over there. I really like the lighting in the house. It's very beautiful. Do have water, so no water shortage over here. So now I can take you guys outside so that you can see how the house looks like outside. Very, very quiet. I mean, and you have neighbors. You have 4 neighbors. It's not the same as building a house and out of nowhere you have no neighbors anywhere. So, and then can you guys see all this space? Like, you have parking space. So behind here we have the hanging lights. Yeah, this is the cadre that was in the kitchen. So this is the hanging area. Very, very nice. I love the fact that he's already cemented the place. There's granite everywhere else. Yeah, this is also behind the house. You can see the land is very big. You have some skuma wikis and spinach. There's a tap outside here. They've already planted trees for you. So guys, there's even an alarm system. I don't know whether you can see over there, that red thing there. Yeah, there's an alarm system. And yeah, it's a very nice place. And the fact that you get a title deed, really nice. I really love these houses simply because of the space. Like, the land is spacious and you have the freedom to develop it if you want to, like, add an SQ or whatever you want to do. And also the space inside the house is good. The 4 units were going for 5.8 million Kenyan shillings. I mean, that's such a good deal considering you have the land title on freehold. The house is a 3-bedroom, 2 ensuite, and you know, it's in just a very good serene environment. There is no much noise, but also it's very accessible. The road was good coming over here, and it's not far from Kitengela town. And let me tell you guys, Kitengela town is like a whole big town on its own. So I really love the place. Unfortunately, the 4 units are sold out, not to worry, because they are currently developing another set of units just like this one, but now those ones, the houses will be a bit bigger. They will be all ensuite. They're just outside here, so I'm gonna take you guys to see the development that is coming up, and you can book the houses that are being developed. And trust me, the owner is amazing. He's called Herbert, and I'm gonna introduce him to you guys so that he can give us more information about the property. Outside over there, it's where they're developing the other houses, so that's where we are going to go. We're actually just going on foot because it's very near. So yeah, let us go. Yes, this is where the construction of the other units is happening. So guys, you can see the stones are real, genuine. So construction is ongoing for the other units. These ones are all ensuite. It's amazing. So 8 units are being developed over here. Here is Herbert. Introduce yourself.
The developer.
Yes, he's a developer.
We have begun the job. The house will be ready in 3 months.
3 months.
Yes.
Wow. How much?
Ready titles. On an 50 by 100.
How much will these units be going for?
Going for
6 million. Yes. So it's a bit higher than those ones, but they are bigger.
They are much bigger. All rooms will be self-contained.
Oh.
All will be ensuite.
Okay.
The 3 bedrooms will be ensuite.
Okay.
So slightly larger than the other one.
What are the payment options?
Mortgage. Or cash. 3 months installment.
3 months installments.
Yes.
Okay, amazing. So how can they contact you in case mtu anataka nyumba? Yes, can I share your contact?
Yes, you can.
Okay, yes. Sawa. Thank you so much. So in 3 months, this will be a whole estate, you guys, of 8 houses. So book early, buy your house early. Yeah, amazing. Like, you guys, meaning yakuwa na pesa sahi, I would be owning a house in 3 months. This is so good. And in between that side and this side, from there coming all this way, need parking spaces. So they will have a lot of parking spaces. The houses will be 8 units, but the parking spaces will be a lot and very special. So if you have a party, your guests will have enough parking spaces. Guys, I'm gonna include Herbert's number on the description box. I would advise you just book a house because they sell out really fast and they're amazing. As you've seen, they're using good materials for the construction. The houses are on such a beautiful place. Yeah, so book yourself a house. All the information will be on the description box down below. I will include his contact, I will include the prices. So yes guys, you've seen the houses. The reason I've showed you guys the complete house is so you can know how those other houses will look like, the ones that are being developed, because everything will be the same, just that those ones will be all ensuite and they will be bigger, more space, of course an improvement of these ones. But yeah, book your house early if you are interested. I will leave Herbert's number down below. Just tell him Shykoh referred you. 6 million. You can pay within 3 installments. You can get a mortgage. He will guide you through all the process. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Until the next one, kwaheri. Very soon I will have another property video, so keep it locked. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, share with a friend, and bye.